Destined for the J-35A fighter jet, these components pass through an optical inspection gate, verifying external integrity and thread dimensions for absolute compatibility.
The gantry system ensures the delicate composite ply is lifted without distortion, critical for the J-35A's structural integrity.
The continuous roll of specialized film is laid over the J-35A weapons bay door. Next, the technical.
High-power CNC mills rapidly remove large chips of the dense titanium billet, shaping the rough profile of a primary.
The flawless surface confirms the success of the high-pressure curing cycle, achieving the precise geometry required.
Appointments. Two synchronized robotic sprayers begin applying the specialized radar-absorbent coating, moving in flawless.
The J-35A's stealth capability relies entirely on this critical surface layer.
That peak correlates exactly with the titanium assembly's natural frequency.
We need to adjust the mounting points immediately.
Latch secure, go ahead with the seal. All right, process B is complete.
Here at the final assembly plant, the specialized weapons deployment mechanism is carefully delivered, marking the start of Phase 6 integration for the J-35A.
Seal integrity check complete. Hologram matches manifest.
Phase 6 inspection authorized. Logging the component now. A technician uses a laser alignment system to confirm that all mounting holes are perfectly aligned. This ensures a
The final phase sees the robotic arm insert the high-strength titanium hinge pins, integrating the weapons bay door.
Weapons bay mechanism check is complete. All systems are go for integration sign-off.
certified complete.
Ramp clear. Secure the payload. Chains locked. Ready for transport.
The efficient supply chain ensures the rapid deployment of critical components, like the J-35A's weapons mechanism.
The post-replacement system check confirms the J-35A is fully operational. The titanium arm assembly is now ready to receive the stealth bay doors.
The seamless integration of the weapons bay is crucial, ensuring the J-35A retains its stealth profile at high speeds.
Bay doors cycling open.
Pressure holding steady on the hydraulics. Looks good.
The J-35A stands ready. This is the final phase of nighttime readiness, showcasing the engineering precision required for perpetual operation. In a fraction of a second, the deployment mechanism cycles, demonstrating the J-35A's lethal efficiency and technological superiority.